Remember to use the most powerful weapon in your arsenal.
A baseball bat?
Your power of observation.
He'll sit there and do that for hours.
While you were watching, the company laid all of you off.
He plays with anything that moves.
In China, police and firefighters are attempting to free a man from a restaurant's ventilation system. Turns out he's a would-be thief who got stuck trying to break in through the kitchen exhaust.
It's hard to find an Asian this dumb. It's like finding a unicorn. No. Go right here. Emergency workers shouldn't show up unless there's a real emergency. A dumbass.
But I feel like the rescue method is unorthodox.
You want about that, Gordy?
Rescued from your own crime and laws of life, you are a colossal failure.
Yeah, we go.
Okay, we got no sense.
Look, a baby criminal. Criminal's being born, everybody. Okay. Okay, yes, man.
Mama. What, baby?
Let's give him a good hard time there. That's it, boy. Boy, on the shoulder. Keep on them down there. I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah.
What is it, Pickles?
Can you imagine what this would have been like without the lube? And believe me, I've said that before.
Yeah, everyone. Okay.
And then, the worst thing, the red hood of shame.
Hey, can I have a glass of milk? No. Some water? No.
What's with the suit? Are they sending him out for job interviews?
Seems like once you have a red bag over your head with little eye holes in it, you don't really care if your blazer is buttoned.
The criminal is taken into custody for questioning.